Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling some of the most common and persistent myths about HIV. Understanding the truth about HIV is crucial not only for preventing the disease but also for combating the stigma that affects millions of people living with HIV. Let's set the record straight together. First up, Myth 1: HIV is a death sentence. In the early years of the HIV epidemic, being diagnosed with HIV was often seen as a death sentence due to the lack of effective treatments. Today, however, things have changed dramatically. People with HIV who start timely treatment can live normal, healthy, and long lives. With advancements in medical science, HIV is now a manageable chronic condition. Antiretroviral therapy, or ART, can reduce the viral load to undetectable levels. This means it's not only manageable but it also prevents the transmission of the virus to others. Living with HIV today can be much different from how it was decades ago. Moving on to Myth 2: HIV can be transmitted through casual contact. There's a lot of misunderstanding about how HIV is transmitted. Let me be clear. HIV is not spread through air, water, or casual contact like shaking hands, hugging, using the same toilet, or sharing utensils. HIV is transmitted through specific bodily fluids from a person with HIV, such as blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, and breast milk. Next, Myth 3: you can tell if someone has HIV by looking at them. This is absolutely false. HIV can affect anyone, and the virus itself doesn't have visible symptoms. People with HIV might look just like anyone else you meet in your daily life. Assuming you can tell if someone is HIV positive based on their appearance is not only incorrect but also harmful. Myth 4: HIV is only a concern for certain groups of people. While it's true that certain demographics have higher rates of HIV transmission, it's important to understand that HIV can affect anyone. No matter your age, sex, or sexual orientation, HIV does not discriminate. Everyone should be knowledgeable about HIV prevention and consider regular testing a part of routine health care. Lastly, Myth 5: a person on treatment for HIV will still transmit the virus by sexual contact. This is not true. A person on antiretroviral therapy is expected to achieve U is equal to U status in a matter of a few months. Once this status is achieved, they are most unlikely to transmit the virus. U is equal to U stands for undetectable equals untransmittable. It refers to the scientifically supported finding that people living with HIV who are on regular antiretroviral therapy and maintain an undetectable viral load in their blood cannot sexually transmit the virus to others. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Great health to you all.